My head is really shaped like an egg. Oh, that was ugly. Y'all, we gonna act like I just didn't do that. I'm gonna undo that. Yeah, I didn't do that. But hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As y'all can see by the title of the video, your girl is back again with another hair review. And today hair is by VIVI BABI. Shout out to VIVI BABI for sponsoring today's video. They sent me this 180 density 26 inches body wave hair, 100% human, period. Let them know. So I'm gonna be doing like a little unboxing. I'm gonna be showing y'all how the hair got delivered to me. I'm gonna be trying the hair on, and I'm gonna be styling the hair for y'all on camera. So if you wanna see that, keep watching. So y'all, I thought this was really, really cute that they put the packaging in this. Like, I feel like this is for like fragile items, but they put the wig in here. So shout out for them for caring about their packaging. This is the box. It's really, really pretty. It's like this light lavender color. And then it has the word VIVI BABI, VIVI Baby. I'm not really sure how they pronounce it, but I am gonna have all the information in the description box below. And then it says 100% human hair. So period, let them know. So this is the packaging of the hair. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I was like a little anxious. I did take a peek in here because y'all, I'm excited for this wig. I'm excited. So this is the packaging. When you open it, it looks just like this. They have this wig in a clear plastic container, and then they have a wig cap. Shout out to them for that because I definitely needed some more wig caps. And then they have a little brochure. It says VIVI BABI Hair, and then it has a thing that you can scan it and it takes you directly to their website. Also, they said if you make a YouTube video featuring their hair, they'll give you $15 off. So shout out to them for that. I also do have a coupon code down below for you guys. So if you want $5 off your purchase, I'm gonna link that down below. So this is the packaging that they have the wig on it. It says 180 density on the packaging. It is 26 inch, and then the hair texture is body wave. They also do offer this wig in 250 density, so if you feel like this is not thick enough, they do offer it in that length. And I think 26 inches is the longest length they offer. If 26 inches is too long for you, or you're shorter than me, I'm 5'5", and I think this hair is definitely gonna be touching my butt. They do offer 8 inch to 26 inch, even numbers only. So y'all, they have the hair in this little knot, which is very, very nice. And then they have this little packaging. I love when I get wigs in these packagings because I just feel like it's Christmas. I feel like I'm opening up a new present. So they have this right here. And then, whoop, let me go ahead and take this off. Okay, y'all, let's go ahead and get into the structure of this wig. Y'all already know anytime I do a hair review, I show y'all the structure of the wig so y'all can see what the wig looks underneath. Also, this is a 4x4. This is not a full lace. This is honestly gonna be my first time installing a 4x4 lace wig. I usually get the front fully laced. This right here is a 4x4. So we gonna see what it's talking about. We gonna see. So it came with 3 combs, 2 on the side to secure the part, and then 1 in the back to secure the back. A little lace down here. I don't think anybody ever uses this little lace, but that's nice that they added it. And then it came with the elastic bands, which I love, I love, I love. Like, if you don't make your wigs with these bands in it, like, what are you doing? Like, what are you doing? But yeah, it has these bands right here, and then it seems like it's gonna be very big head friendly. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it has a little scrunch to it. So I don't know what type of lace this is. I know this is their Brazilian body wave, 26 inches. It has a nice little curl to it, and it's giving me a little color. It's giving me a little color. Look at that bounce. Look at the bounce. Y'all, if y'all can't already tell, I'm excited. I'm really excited about this wig. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the lace a little closer. Y'all see that? This is not transparent lace, or it's not brown. Hold on, let me get my lighting together. Okay. So this is not transparent lace, or it's not brown lace. It looks like the lace is tinted. I think I might bleach the lace because it is a little dark. Yeah, the lace is a little dark, so I might bleach the lace, or if I'm feeling lazy, I might just add my Laura Mercier powder on there and just put that on the lace. But yeah, this is how it looks. Oh, actually, y'all, it came with 4 clips. It came with 2 on the side, 1 in the back to secure the part, and then another one in the back to secure the wig on the back of your head. So that's nice. Shout out to them for that. But this is the lace. I think I might do a deep part. I usually do a side part, but I think because it's only a 4x4, I might do a deep part. And that's pretty much how much lace they're giving you. Y'all, the hair feels very, very soft, and it doesn't have a smell to it at all. It doesn't smell processed at all. It honestly doesn't smell like anything. But y'all, yeah, y'all, this is the wig. I'm gonna get ready and take this wig off, and I'm gonna show y'all how I install the wig, style the wig. But yeah, and if y'all interested in this wig, I am gonna have the video to this wig linked down in the description box below. But yeah, y'all, let's go ahead and get into it. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little scared because this is my first 4x4 closure wig, and also I'm not really good at middle parts. I always do side parts, or I don't do a part at all. I do like a natural part. So I'm really scared, because the only option I got with this wig is a middle part. But we gonna see how it turns out. Okay. Okay. I really don't even know where to start. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this back, take my got to be glue, which is everything. Y'all know in the hair store, this got to be right here. I think they sell this for about $7.99, and some hair stores sell this for about $10, but you can get this from Amazon for $4.99. So I'm gonna link this down below, because this is the truth. This right here is the truth. I can't believe I was installing my wigs for so many years without this. And I guess I only have to put glue in the middle of my head because this is a 4x4. So I'm gonna add a little bit of that on there. And then I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer. I'm gonna put y'all on some nice music while I'm doing this. Okay, y'all. Look at my eyebrows. It's okay, we're not gonna worry about it. Okay, but that's pretty much stuck. That's pretty much dried down. I'm gonna bring y'all in a little more so y'all can really see what's going on. The frontal definitely needs to be the closure definitely needs to be plucked. So I'm gonna go in and pluck it a little bit. When I'm plucking my hair, I like to pluck the front of it, and then I'll go in and do a part and then pluck a little bit behind that. I don't know why, but I just feel like that's an efficient way to pluck your lace. Is that in the middle? I think that's in the middle. I don't think my eyebrows even, because if it was in the middle, it would be over a little more. Or maybe my eyebrows are even and this is just not in the middle. When y'all do y'all wigs to make sure in the middle, do y'all align it with your eyebrows, your forehead? How do y'all align it? Because I do not do middle parts. But I think we got it. I think this is in the middle. Y'all, don't get discouraged. Do not click off the video. I know I look like Humpty Dumpty right now. Like, I look like an egg. My head is shaped like an egg, but it's okay. It's gonna come together in the end. Trust, believe me. It's a process. It's a process. It's a process. Y'all, I think I'm starting to give up on myself at this point. My head really shaped like an egg. My head is really shaped like an egg. Okay, y'all, I'm about to go get my flat iron and I'm about to flatten this part out, and then I'm gonna go in and pluck the part, and then I'll be back when I'm done with the top of my head, because I can't have y'all looking at me for 5 to 10 minutes with my hair looking like this. This is not acceptable. I'm gonna be back when it's time to style, because y'all, this ain't cute. This right here is not cute. So I'm gonna be back. What is this? What is this? Wait, actually it don't look so bad. Maybe I'm tripping. Does it look that bad? I'm tripping. I'm tripping. I'm tripping. I think I'm tripping. Yeah, I don't know if it's because I didn't like braid my hair down under this, or I don't know if I'm tripping, or I don't know if my head is long. I don't know what's going on, but I just feel like it's a little bulky at the top. So I've been doing this, try to get it as flat as I can. I have flat ironed all of the closure as flat as I could, but this side just will not stay down. I've been seeing people use like pomade and beeswax and stuff to get their part flat, but I usually don't do parts. I usually do like, I pull my hair to the side and I just let it go freely. So I don't have any of that. So what I'm going to do is cut the lace, and then I'm gonna put some of my Gatsby on there. I don't know if that's a good idea. Y'all let me know. Again, that I mentioned this is my first time installing a 4x4. If you couldn't tell. Okay, so I'm gonna pull this up a little bit, and I hope my eyebrows start going down. Okay, thank God, because I was looking crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut my closure as close as I can.
Okay, this is about how much baby hairs I cut off. I'm gonna go ahead and take my little handy dandy toothbrush and spit out. This is jam, by the way. I never use jam to my baby hairs, but today I'm feeling a little spontaneous, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some jam on there. Okay, hold on. Okay, so I think when you have a closure, you're supposed to. Okay.
Okay, y'all, as y'all can see, it's going and it's going. So this is the hair in its natural state. This is how a body wave look. It's like a loose body wave, and this is how the hair looks curl. It takes the heat very, very well, y'all. I didn't have to leave the heat on there that long, and the curls are very nice and bouncy. The curling iron that I'm using is by Bedhead Hot Body, and y'all, I had this curling iron for about 10 years. That's why I look all types of ghetto, but this curling iron come through for me. I think I got this for Christmas. When you go down, it turns yellow, and then when you go up, it turns green. But yeah, you probably can find this on Amazon somewhere. Let me be quiet because they not paying me. This is not a sponsored item, so let me stop talking too much about this curling iron. But yeah, y'all, it's bomb. So I'm about to go ahead and curl the other side. I'm honestly so shocked that it's not that easy installing a 4x4 lace wig. I thought this was gonna be easy. I probably should have watched some more videos, but we gonna see how it turns out. Cause my hair always, like when I'm in the process of doing it, it always looks kind of crazy, but it ends up turning out beautiful. And boom, there you have it. Oh yeah, I forgot to curl the end. Let me just comb this piece out and redo the curl. But yeah, I'm hoping when I take this scarf off, the part is a little more laid. I don't know why it's so bulky. But then again, y'all, I do know why. If I haven't mentioned already, this is my first time installing a 4x4 wig. Y'all definitely need to link some videos down below. Or if you wear 4x4 wigs and you know how to install them, please leave your girl down some tips below, because I definitely can use some. Voila. This hair takes the curl very, very well. So beautiful. The hair is bomb. It feels really, really soft. It looks darker on camera, but it's more of like a natural black in person. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna finish curling my hair and I'll be back with the finished look. Okay, so y'all, this is the finished look. As you can see, I just decided to go with a side part instead of a middle part because the middle part wasn't working. I really, really love how the hair turned out. The hair is very, very soft and the curls are very, very bouncy. Do y'all see that? I did want to stand up so I can show you guys how long the hair is. It goes to about my waist. So excuse what I got on. I know I look a mess. Again, this is their 26-inch body wave hair, 180 density. If you're interested in purchasing this wig, all the details will be listed down in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.